Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and you are watching Fashion and Fusion with Neha. In today's video, I am going to unbox few products what I have received few days back, and I have asked the same thing on my Instagram in Instagram story that if you guys want me to make another unboxing video. So I have received so many responses and thanks a lot for those responses. So many of you advised me to make another unboxing video. So guys, today's video is all about that only. So let's start with unboxing. So guys, you can see I have received this and this one and this one. So many packets I have received. So without any further ado, let's get started. And let me tell you one more thing. A few products I have purchased and few I have got from manufacturers. So let's start with the first one. First one, I have received this, and let me show you. See, this is from Home Decor, and the packaging is so good. And see, this is a wooden home decor piece what I received. You can see, and it's mentioned here, home is not a home without dad and mom. So nice caption is mentioned, and I like it most. You can see, you can decorate on wall. So soon you will see this decoration in my upcoming videos and even on Instagram post. Alright guys, so let's move ahead with second one. Second product what I have received, it's a decor one for bohemian theme. If you are if you guys want to decor and give a bohemian touch to your house, so you can use this one, and I will show you. This is like this. It's a kind of you can see in pictures that how it looks. So this is kind of multicolor wall decor piece, and any one of you, if you guys are interested in bohemian, if you guys are interested in getting bohemian theme in your house, or if you want to decor your room with bohemian theme, so you can go with this one, right? Its length is so good, and so soon again you will see this piece in my upcoming videos. So yeah, the packaging was like this. I already have opened this one before. So let's go ahead with the third one. The third one is the third one is another decor piece what I have bought from Home Decor, and this one also is a bohemian decor item. You can see this, and you can see this one. It looks like a bohemian, and again, if you use it inside your house, and you can frame it in any frame also, and or any wooden frame kind of thing, you can frame it, and if you frame it properly and hang it on a wall, it looks so great, and easily you can transform the look of your house from a normal to bohemian theme by using this one. So yeah, this one was the third piece. So now let's move ahead to the fourth one. The fourth one is something, I don't know what's inside. Alright, so the fourth one is, it's so pretty piece. It's my favorite. Do you want to see? Alright, so this is a beautiful hat what I got from a store on Instagram, and it's so beautiful. I love yellow color. Even my outfit is also yellow color, and you can see. Let me open it. Wow. Alright, so this is the hat. You can see, which I got from a store on Instagram. They have sent it to me to make some kind of promotional videos and to promote their brand. So soon you will see my upcoming videos where I will give and I will style a few looks and a few outfits where I will use these items what I received today, and especially this one because I have to make a video for them. So yeah, this was my favorite piece. I love it so much. So yeah, this one was the fourth one, right? 1, 2, 3, yeah, fourth one. Now coming to the fifth one, and the fifth one is this So this is again a home decor piece, and you can see my wall. It's something I got this also, but I have applied on my wall, so I could not show you in this box. But yes, I have another piece. What is inside? And yes, this. You can see it's so beautiful. Alright, so it's again a decor piece. Now, if you want to transform your normal and boring room with few items, with few decor items, so you should go with this one. It really is so good, and you can, you can do awesome. You can create awesome. You can transform your house within seconds by using these items. What I'm showing you today. So yeah, this is a piece. You can see. All right. So this is the fifth one. Alright, so now coming to the sixth one. The sixth one is again, I don't know the count of these products. Alright, the sixth one is this. And it's again a decor piece. I like it a lot. See this. It's so beautiful. You can see like this is this, and this kind of black and white theme. If you want to transform your house and you want to give a black and white theme to your room or to your wall, you can definitely go with this item, which is my sixth one. Alright, so now coming to the seventh one, and the seventh one is so beautiful. Actually, I have opened it because I couldn't wait a lot. So when I received this, I immediately opened this box. So yes, let's open it again because I have packed it again. Alright. So this is a pack with, it's very good packaging. I love the way they packed this packet because it's so solid packaging. One cardboard inside that I have another cardboard, and this is this. And let me open it. I will not open this one because I liked it. So anyway, this is a black box inside it. You can see, and this is a black box. You can see this. See. And another decor item for my home. These are star lights which can give you, which can transform your house from boring and dark to bright look. And you should definitely try this if you want to transform and make your house decorated. If you want to know from where I have got all these things, so I will mention each and everything in description box. So go and check the description box. So guys, this was my unboxing video. I hope you like this video, and do let me know in the comment section which item you like the most. And if you ask about me, so I like that yellow hat what I got from Instagram store. And yeah, so this was done, and yeah, till then guys, bye bye. And wait, डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. आप लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते हो गाइस. 2 मिनट 4 मिनट की वीडियोस बनाने के लिए 2 दिन 3 दिन हमें मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. So guys, if you want me to make another video, do subscribe my channel, comment in comment section, and don't forget to like and upload. Alright guys, so this was done. Till then, take care. Bye bye.